Introducing two new members of our permanent tool lineup, the 18 and 26-inch precision woodworking squares. These squares are perfect for the layout of sheet goods and aligning other tools in your shop. Built from 1/4-inch aircraft-grade aluminum, the squares are CNC milled and quality checked to be dead square within 1/1000th of an inch or less for each foot of blade length, assuring that both legs of the squares reflect a true 90 degrees. Both squares have laser engraved scales along their inside and outside edges, giving you precise measuring when laying out a project. Two 1/4-inch cheeks affixed to the square's handle with stainless steel dowel pins ensures bulletproof rigidity and perfect alignment. This gives the square a more stable stance, while also creating an inner lip that lies flat on a workpiece. So whether it's the layout of sheet goods for your next project, the alignment of your Festool MFT, or setting up your clamp guide rail for large crosscuts, the 18 and 26-inch precision woodworking squares will get the job done right every time.